Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix mouse pointer automatically moves in Windows 11. So to resolve this issue, click on Start, type main.cpl. Now open this control panel item. Now in here click on pointer options. Check this box enhance pointer, then check this box hide pointer while typing. So just check this box and uncheck this snap to visibility and show location. So uncheck these three options, snap to visibility and show location, and check this both option, enhance pointer, hide pointer while typing, then apply, then OK. Now restart your PC. So like this guys, you can fix mouse pointer automatically moves in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.